See, the interesting part about being in a lockdown is that we got less. We don't drive, we save a lot on fuel. The furthest we have ever been is this park right here, about 1 kilometer from our apartment. That's right, so we might save 3 months worth of haircut, but do we really save is the question. Bills, yeah. So it's gonna be very pricey because with the whole lockdown, we're operating completely 24/7 at home. So we've been trying to find ways to save costs, and one of them is, of course, food. Sydney is very, very expensive. We order a lot of things online, Deliveroo, Uber Eats. So now we're trying to find a way to save costs by doing an online catering. So recently, Helmi found out that EveryPlate is actually quite cheap and affordable. So we decided to approach them, and by the way, it's even cheaper if you use our code right here. So we kind of partner up with them, and then to give you guys an honest review of the food here that we get for the whole week. All right, here we go.
Alright, so this one, it says ready in 25 to 35 minutes. Do you think I'm gonna make it?
Yes.
Yeah, so I think this is good for lunch. All the ingredients, this is it. And it's portioned for 2 people. So it's very convenient. Now, let's start prepping. So I need to chop the zucchini and onion. Ooh, alright, so the water is boiling and we got the penne now. I don't know whether this is enough for 2 of us though.
I think it is.
Is it? Ow! Oh my goodness!
See, you see guys, this is why she fails.
Okay. Alright, trying to save this. That's too hot. But anyway, I was talking about this penne, right? So normally I bought like the 1 kilo one. And I feel like this is like maybe what, 200 grams? So I think after this we're gonna lose weight because the portion I think is quite small. Let's see. Garlic seasoning. Alright, so it's looking good, and now it's the cream time. And of course, cheese. What is pasta without cheese? And voila, it's done.
That looks incredible, seriously. Good job, Helmi.
But you know what? This is actually expectation. That's reality.
It's not bad. I mean, look at that.
Oh.
It's actually not bad at all.
Thank you.
Yeah, I mean, how bad can you when you follow orders, right? Well, let's actually give this a go.
Alright.
It's good.
Mmm.
Honestly, guys, it's actually good.
Yeah.
Wow, that's actually really good. It's got a lot of flavor and a lot of punch as well.
And creamy.
Yep.
And cheesy as well.
Love the bacon bits too.
And you know what? The good thing about this one, if you have someone who doesn't love veggie, like this guy, look at that.
There's a lot of veggie, a lot of zucchini. It's actually really good.
And spinach.
Wow. Even the cheese is like, it's there, but it's really light.
Mmm.
It just helps thicken up the cream as well. It's so beautiful. The penne is al dente.
Honestly, because I cook this, right? So when I look at the ingredients, it's like, oh my god, this is too small. But then after you cook it, it's like enough for 2 people.
Yeah.
Right?
Just expands. Really good
That's
though.
right.
Really, really good. Alright, so it's another day. This time around, I'm gonna cook it. So quite simple. We're gonna make enchiladas here. I mean, it's straightforward. You just follow the instructions, so let's do this.
Even I'm about to cry. My gosh. Alright, it's time to cook, right?
Yes. So it's pretty simple, guys. It's really just follow the instruction. I mean, honestly, like, if I can do it, you can do it.
Yeah.
The onions are crazy, by the way. I started tearing up. I have to wash my face. That's insane.
What's that?
That's a tomato paste. Mix them up here.
You know, the recipe is super easy, and then you can keep the recipe, so
That's
you can
right.
make it again.
You can go to Woolies or Kohl's and just get the ingredients. Really, really simple.
Yeah.
But very, very delicious, right? I mean, tasting it just now, it's actually really good.
Is it because you are cooking it?
That's right. Well, you know, I'm trying my best.
Is this right?
I hope so.
Easy.
Cheese bag. Or cheese.
Yes, please.
That smells so good. Oh, got my mittens. Oh, it's lighting up. That is so bad.
Okay, Helmi with glasses because I don't put makeup on. Did I even shower? Did I shower?
Yes, you did.
Oh, I did. Yeah, yeah. But this clothes is like from yesterday because who actually changed clothes every day during lockdown? Anyway, so this is what you expect. This is what we got. It's okay, presentation wise, like I'm sorry, but it's kind of sad. Look, it's so different.
It's the taste that counts.
Yeah, it's like expectation and reality, but it's all about the taste, right? So here we go. It's cheesy. It looks like cheesy.
Because there's cheese on it.
The taste is actually pretty good. So well done. I mean, like it's super easy, and the tomato is not overpowering, so it's not like very sour. And it's quite cheesy, but you know what? I feel like you have to put more cheese. I feel. Yeah.
Too
I
bad
love
we don't have
cheesy
any
stuff.
more.
Yeah, but apart from the presentation is pretty good. So well done. So if you guys seen the Merrickville food video, which is about last year, we actually show you this one. This one is one of our favorite. But today I'm craving Vietnamese coffee, and we're gonna go to this place, which I already shown you as well. So it's one of my favorites as well. Let's go. Yeah, so this is Merrickville, and I finally got my coffee, the Vietnamese coffee from Cafe Nga. And okay, this one is actually pretty good, but it's always closed. Like today is Saturday and they're always closed.
I know, right?
I know.
This is really bad. Really
Yeah.
impacting businesses.
Yeah, this one is Alexandros. Over there, down there is the Merrickville pork roll, which is very famous. But we actually like this one.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, they always close. Like, why? Okay, so this is the expectation, right? Now, this is the reality. Why there's no fries? Because I failed so badly. Like, look at this. I don't know what's this one.
That's burnt cheesy fries.
I know. It's like, it's super soggy. And it's kind of, some of them like super burnt. And it's just oily and I don't know. I'm sorry. I'm very, very bad at making fries. Normally I just buy, you know, the frozen one, chuck it in the air fryer, and it's done. So to make the fries from scratch, it's apparently challenging.
Oh, this is from scratch, is it?
Yeah,
From potatoes?
yeah.
Oh wow, good job though. Look at that.
It's from potatoes, so you have to cut it, and you know, I already cut it wrongly. Look at that, and
That's alright.
Yeah.
Good effort, good effort.
good effort. So I guess this is like medium rare. right? Look at that.
Okay.
So it is rump steak, but I guess this is like very small compared with that one. Look, like, come on.
And then you got some barbecue spice blend on it as well.
Yeah, and coleslaw as well.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Let's give it a
Let
go.
me try this.
How's your own cooking?
Mmm.
So there you go, guys. So it's a very easy instruction. You can't go wrong except you can.
You know what? The beef is really, really good. Of course, because Helmi cook it, and it's only take about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so for like $3 something, this steak is like so worth it rather than go out have like $50 steak. I think this is pretty good, you know. And it's perfectly cooked, of course, because Helmi cook it. It's about just 2 or 3 minutes, and you got the medium rare. And the barbecue spice is also very good as well.
Helmi steak.
Yay! What do you think?
It's nice. Good job. Love that blend of like barbecue spice. Makes it like kind of exotic, you know? Like feels like a very American barbecue kind of style.
Yeah.
Really, really nice. Just got that kind of really nice peppery, kind of spiciness as well. Kind of really gels really well with the whole meat. And love that medium rare. So it's like really bouncy. Oh, so beautiful and tender. All right, this one, Helmi, this looks incredible.
Yay!
So chicken with couscous, it's got some Persian spice on it, some Greek yogurt, just beautiful combination. And then of course you got the tomato and the cucumber. Beautiful.
Salsa.
Yep. Wow, simple dish, but really like takes you places, you know. Chicken is just nice and soft and tender, I guess. It's a normal
chicken thigh.
Yeah, it's chicken thigh, right?
Yeah.
That's what we love about chicken. Get the thigh portion because it's the most tender part. The couscous feels kind of like a rice, but just in a smaller kind of portion and a lot more as well. Garlic kind of aftertaste as well, because I think, Helmi, you got some garlic in it, is it?
Yeah, garlic and butter.
Ah, okay, good. Can you feel that creaminess as well? So really, really nice actually. So after testing everything, I just feel like this is just simple, right? Simple, easy to cook dishes, and also I guess it's inspired you to learn how to cook. Yeah. It's not bad.
Yeah.
Actually, the taste is not bad. For a home cooked meal, this is actually pretty good. I mean, if you want to save some cost, it's a pretty good deal.
Yeah. So they can use our code, which is Nick and Helmi, to get 40% the first box,
Yep.
20% second box, and also third box.
That's right, guys. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you punch that like button, subscribe, so you get notified when we post our weekly food and travel adventure. Until next week, leave us a comment. We'd like to hear from you, and stay safe.
바쁘게 지나가 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 해는 또 지나봐 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 내 마음의 꽃은 언제 필까 바쁘게 살지마 그냥 좀 쉬다가